Hi. Since the Marlboro Rewards thing is still going on, probably gonna be end of this year, I took my palm to grab two things out of it since I've been saving a bunch of like the cigarette package that has like 100 points. I have here, this is a lighter holder, minis. This is worth about 4,000 points, maybe somewhere on there. If you look it up, it's roughly around. So I'm gonna show you examples out of this lighter here that I got. Now, since this is a light holder minis by screwpop, this is the most clippable keychain holder tools. So what do we think of this? I love the fact that it's metal. It's got a nice little clips here that you could clip onto your belt and stuff. It's got a nice little tightness when you put it in, but the downside to it is that it doesn't work really well for the big ones because it's too big for it. This is the, like, usual people who smoke, they take the big ones. Now, this is the mini lighters, which as you can see in the size, this is the difference between it. The reason why it won't fit because it's too wide and big. This one, it can fit just right here. So you just push this together, and like that, it's very tight once it's slot right in, and it still works. And then you just clip it right back on your belt or this, and it'll just hang there completely not moving at all. The cool thing is that since you can actually refill it this way, see there's a hole here, I think you could try to refill it if you could get the one that is not disposable, which is, this one has a hole there too. I think this one too. Yeah, I guess it could refill it if you, I think this thing does, but this is really pretty nice little thing here. Especially that you could use like a zip belt thing into the hang, and then you can just pull it out and do it and then slip right back in. It's well, just be pretty hot there. It's pretty cool. There's another thing I also did buy is, I think it's another 4,000, but probably a little bit more. This is the disposable ones. As you can see, I don't know what they're called, but this one, when you what better example is that when you smoke, you basically draw your bits, your smoke bits in here. You basically pinch it over here, and you draw it in here. This is a capsule in here, and it only fits up to 4 of them in here. The cool thing is that bottom here, once it's, you use it and it's cold enough, it's, flame, you could dump this out in the trash, but you have to be careful with it. Basically, you empty it out like that. So it's all screwed in. Pretty metal, I love that. They're not really cheap, they're pretty good qualities. So, they're pretty good, consider the points rewards. And the shipping pretty fast, actually. I ordered it about like a few days ago. And it's a wonderful reward system. There's a time that I actually got the $50 reward bits. There's a Uber rides, and that is just wonderful, the rewards. So I'm just grabbing little things left and right, and I've been collecting cigarette packs. I don't smoke, I just collect them, and these are the free goodies I could get out of it. There's really a lot more, depends how many more points I could get each month I could squeeze. So here's what this is, basically what this does. So it gives you an idea what it is due for. It's either you do this, you pinch into it like that, the lid here, dumpers, the body, and the removal bottoms. So this is what this is basically giving you instructions. You could clean this actually. So this is pretty good if you don't want to litter during the cigarette butts. This is probably actually worth a lot of it. And again, if you are watching this and think about getting this as a part of reward, trust me, this is actually pretty good. I usually just use this in case, like, give it to a friend as a gift, since, you know, it's a nice little gift things, you know, give them one for a lighter holder like this, and a cigarette bit trash right here. And this is just worth of from all this reward, and it's just really good. So it's worth it if you know been saving all the points and stuff. I would just get it like this, pretty much. You can still look up more from their website. From there, it'll show you more. There's so many of them. I went and grabbed these because my friends do smoke, and I want to give them something. And they give me a cigarette pack out of it once they finish it. I hope you guys enjoyed. This is a little tiny short review of the two products they have from in Marlboro Rewards from the cigarettes. You know, that thing. And I hope you guys earned enough points for yourself and get something cool in there too. Have a good day.